Brushy duck. Thanks.
Yeah. Dr. Stomach stab. 1-0. Foul. Cat forward.
Oh. He got stabbed first.
Oh, he got stabbed first. Okay.
Yeah.
I heard. All I saw was the flash across the line.
His flashman head got here.
He died anyway.
1-0. About that forward.
Other people
If you want to dual wield, you can't use other people's weapons. You gotta use only yours. No, I want to get it very clear. I don't give a fuck about people using my shit. Ask me first. It's my biggest fucking pet peeve. You use my shit without asking me, that's fucking furious. I'm not even fucking kidding. It's like, I don't understand. I get fucking angry. No.
Is this kind of on video?
No.
Are we restarting?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Please, that. Now,